And today, I'm going to show you how good my village is going. The way out. Here it is. I even put out a train track with. Yep, I'm basically done. All I need to do is get more of this little glass. I need more of it to cover all of them. And Cora's under here. I like how you can go under here. Cora! She's watching on iPad. She's watching Peppa Pig. So, here's let's look around my way out. Okay, here are the two trains, Park Express and Park Express into my car. Here they are sitting right here. And I can see the watchtower over there. You can see that little house. The Christmas tree over there because it's almost Christmas. That little guy right there I brought. And I have it. And I even put a little forest. There's forest right here. There's trees. So, and this is a pond. Actually, I made that pond. I made it. You can make your own stuff, you know. Get Play-Doh, and you can make your own pond or clay. Then go outside and get some rocks and put it around it and some tree bark. A bunch of, all that stuff right there, that's moss from outside, grass stuff. Those rocks came from outside. That's what we do. We just do a bunch of stuff outside. Now, this stuff you see right there, that little stuff, that didn't come from outside. This stuff, it didn't come from outside. It came from, the store. So I'm gonna go on top. It was white. It's very strong. That's another view. I'm basically done. We need to get more glass to put it right here. My dad built this. Don't step on that train. We got that one from the store. This one is, I need to keep some walking over this one, and then one of my rooms. The Texas Plus. It's got a little crank like that, but it'll be okay. I don't even think I hope it still walks because we haven't went in so long. And you can see the shelf for all the cars, train cars. Yeah, Twiddle Village. That's what I want to show you is how good it's going. We put some grass and stuff. Okay, bye.